Hi there, if you want to be very safe when you're riding adventure bikes, the best coaches in the world, particularly my best friend Mr. Bodrov is suggesting, look at those protective gears. Because particularly when you're learning how to do riding, you have to protect your limbs, otherwise you can be bedridden, dislocated shoulders, fractured every part of your body, and then your craze to become a good rider will be gone for all time. I've been a victim of this ignorant foolishness. I've been driving without protective gears on smaller bikes, which is good to learn all these skills on smaller bikes, because the skills is independent of the size of the bikes. The physics and the dynamics and all these kinds of maneuvering, they can be learned on even smaller bikes. But whenever you are learning, you should be very, very careful. The skill combined with the protection to your body is very, very important. Look at top, must you wear helmet. Don't make a fancy cap or hat or something foolishness. Your shoulder which are dislocated, it should be protected. Then your arms, then your thighs, then your elbows, then your knees, then a wonderful boots that is protecting your ankles. And dear friends, only then you can really think that even in minor accidents you can come out with flying colors, because you have not mastered these skills, so you are bound to make a lot of falls, lot of dropping your bikes, and even you are a rich man dropping your bikes, bending the handles, breaking the glasses, breaking a lot of pads is really very painful, because it not only costs money but it also break your heart, because I particularly love my bike more than my life. When I bought my first motorbike when I was a student of IIT Kharagpur in Physics and Meteorology department in 1984, I bought a Royal Enfield 350cc red color bike. It was so lovely to me. Unfortunately, the chains were not tightly fitted, so it was falling, and little scratches come. Then I thought it is better my body is scratched than my bike is scratched. That's the love and passion I have for riding. After a lapse of near about some 35 to 40 years, when I have reached 60s, I began to take over the passion and I stopped riding four-wheelers. Particularly I was riding all the SUVs, but now I'm only riding adventure bikes, because these are cheaper. These can go even faster than the SUVs. But to enjoy the ride and to defeat everyone on the highways or expressways, you should learn every skills. Slow acceleration, also you should see that speed limit, and you have to have a clear picture of the road you are riding near about 1 to 3 kilometers front, because if you like to stop the bike, you cannot be safe. Your helmet must be fitting to your skull, because I have some oversized helmet once. One was defeating a car because of the fast blast of the wind. The helmet flew off and it blocked my eyes, and I was moving on a bridge which was not straight, it was really curved, but my skill saved me. I know how to stop my bike. I slowly applied my rear brake along with my front brake, not grabbing it strongly but slowly, and I could save my life. This was one of the most fatal accident I was to make, dear friends. So you learn how to stop your bike in emergency. Also learn how to drive your bike on the corners with tail braking techniques, and also on intersection. You have to be patient to wait till you see the intersection is really clear, because every day when I drive my KTM 890, 790 and the lowest one 390, I have to cross so many circles They are the crazy drivers. I don't know why they are driving so fast. I stop there. And when I see I can escape, then I go. One day I was very confident I can cross, but a car driver was having the target fixing. This bloody was looking just at my bike. So where he was going, he was trying to go and hit me. Fortunately, I saved my life. So these are my experiences, dear friends. I wish you best of luck. Be adventure rider. These four-wheelers are very expensive when you buy them. Very difficult and very expensive to maintain also. But the two-wheelers, they are not that costly. When you buy a Porsche can in some crores, you can buy 20, 25 adventure bikes. Even your best GS, Harley Davidson and other brands of Suzuki and Honda, they cannot be even 1/20th of the price of such expensive cars like Ferrari and all these. So be very strong physically and mentally very alert and agile and very tough, because it needs courage. Fearlessness is important, but skill can only save you, not your blunt, stupid, unskillful driving. Thank you.